Hello, and today we're going to be touring a beautiful single-family home located at 50 Ulloa. We're at the exterior of the building. It is located in a very, very quiet location. This is the exterior of the home, and you enter through the side of the house here, and this place has been completely remodeled. It is a beautiful space, and you walk into this nice big foyer. You have your garage access through the door there, but we're going to start this tour off on the upper level where the bedrooms are situated. Okay, so nice landing here. The master bedroom is located towards the front. It is a very large space with lots of natural light. You have a fireplace, windows that look out onto the neighborhood. And as I mentioned, it is a very, very quiet neighborhood. This master bedroom has an amazing walk-in closet. It is the size of a bedroom, an average size bedroom with big windows, custom cabinets, and drawers. You also have an ensuite bathroom. So a wonderful soaking tub, double sink. There is a separate shower, and the toilet is tucked away behind here. The shower has a nice glass enclosure. And let's take a look. You have a nice big shower head as well. Okay, through this door here, you have access to the walk-in closet, which is a fantastic feature to have. Okay, so back into the hallway here, I'm going to show you the rest of the bedrooms. Here's the second bedroom. This home has gas heating and heater vents in each of the rooms. Nice deep closet here. Beautiful wood floors throughout. Here is the second bedroom. All the bedrooms have nice big windows and good sized closets. Okay. This is the third bedroom here. Nice size, similar view, and this one has a nice big closet as well. This goes all the way back. Linen closet, just outside the bathroom. This is the second full bathroom. Okay, so now we're going to head on down to the common space. Lots of natural light. You have skylights, big windows, and here we are down by the entryway. This is the garage. There's also plenty of street parking as well. And here is a half bath, which is situated just outside the kitchen, living room, and dining area. You also have a separate laundry room with large stackables and built-in shelving for convenience. Okay, back into the entryway. There's the front door here. Here is a coat closet and an amazing space here. Living room, dining room, kitchen combination. This kitchen has been recently remodeled. plenty of storage space, designer stainless appliances. This includes a dishwasher as well, kitchen island with bar stool seating, this magnificent room also has direct access to a deck, which we will step out to momentarily. It is partially covered, and just a few steps down is a lovely yard. Okay, if you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com for availability, pricing, and specific details. Thanks and have a great day.